We are actually driving a piece of history.
Well, done.
Look at that!
No way! That's impossible. How did it even get up there? Guys, that's an 1896 American classic. How did it get up there? I repeat, our extraction point is compromised. We need immediate air support.
Roger that. Stand by.
Secure and ready. Acknowledged. Lifting.
It's barely holding together. Okay. Push it up. Got it. Got it. Securing the leg.
All right, lights are up. Oh, looks like we're ready to get started. This thing is incredible. Look at the detail. Look at the state of this thing.
It's barely holding together.
Just disintegrating.
Okay, stand back. Ready?
No, this isn't going anywhere. It's completely fused.
Well, I hate to say it, but she's not going to turn over. I think we're going to need a full replacement. Now, let's see about these wheels.
The engine block is completely seized. This rust has taken over. Wait, did you hear that?
Something's out there. Stay quiet.
What is it?
All right, let's see what we got here. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look at this, a brand new gleaming brass carriage lantern straight out of the box.
And I've got a perfect wooden spoke wheel with a solid white rubber tire, ready to go.
All right, come on. Just one more. Heavy as hell. Got it. This looks more like a clock than a car engine.
I agree. The gears are far too intricate for a combustion engine.
Almost there. Finally got it. Time for the sandblaster. We aren't just mechanics today, we are 19th century carriage builders. I'm just getting it settled over this last gear.
Perfect.
Okay, got it in frame. I think that's it. It's done.
It's really beautiful, Jack. Perfect.
Ready to go back in?
This amber varnish brings out the most beautiful golden tones in this fresh oak. Almost there, looking perfect.
It's truly remarkable.
Fantastic contrast. Keep pulling, it's almost there.
A little bit more, steady.
Easy.
Perfect, it's lined up. Drop it down.
Yes, nice.
Nailed it.
All right, time to unbox the centerpiece. Wow, that's perfect. Exactly what I needed. And the new carpet. This should look great. It's finally looking like a car.
Yeah, we did it.
It's finally looking like a car.
Look at this. It's beautiful. I can't wait to see how it drives.
The jewelry arrived.
Almost there. Just a little more pressure.
All right, let's see how this sounds.
The ornate craftsmanship suggests a ceremonial purpose.
Excellent, the detail is incredible.
Aligning the throttle now.
All right, easy does it. Just a little further. Mechanically, she's ready. Just needs the lifeblood.
Fluids are in. The next sunrise, we turn her over. All right, here we go.
Looks heavy.
Just need to give it a good turn.
You got this.
Yes! We did it!
All right, here we go.
Don't lose it, Jack. Not a chance. Let's do this. We are actually driving a piece of history.
Honk!
This is perfect.
Couldn't be better. Isn't this view incredible, Emma? It's breathtaking, Jack. And the car looks perfect here.
If you loved this 120 scene rescue mission, please hit subscribe.
This.
Absolutely. Give us a follow.
Well, done. Just perfect. And that's a wrap.